Situated in the heart of Old Cohasset, this 5-bedroom Dutch colonial is set on a private estate lot. Blending the original design with a 1970s addition, the home is ideal for upscale suburban living. A stone walk leads to a picturesque farmer's porch, lending country charm to the home's exterior. The foyer opens to an elegant dining room with hardwood floors, as well as a living room featuring a stone fireplace and large windows, allowing for ample natural light. Accented by built-in bookcases and a cozy fireplace, the intimate study offers a place to read and relax. The large eat-in kitchen is perfect for entertaining and has a large center island, long stretches of granite countertop, and premier appliances. Off the rear entry hall is a half bath and a combination laundry mudroom with convenient cedar closet. A backyard flagstone patio provides the perfect setting for seasonal fresco dining. The 5 bedrooms are located on the second floor and include a spacious master with ample closets, high ceilings, and adjoining full bath. An enormous stone fireplace and built-in bar are the highlights of the lower-level recreation room. The expansive grounds are dotted with stately trees and lined with colorful gardens and mature plantings. A rustic cabin with wood-burning stove is snugly set halfway down the gently sloping backyard. Included in the sale are 2 additional, potentially buildable 7,500 square foot lots. The home is within walking distance of downtown East Greenwich, with its many boutiques, cafes, restaurants, marinas, yacht clubs, and recently expanded public library. With easy access to Interstate 95 and Route 4, the city life of Providence and the stunning beaches of southern Rhode Island are just a short drive away. For more information about this property, please contact the Primo Group at area code 401-742-6677.